Welcome to mikegolden Games and welcome back to another unboxing video. I just got back from FWA. First thing, that con was so lit this year, let me tell you. Anyways, that's the time for another story. Yeah, I might have got a new headset. You might have saw the last video where I unboxed a different headset. I decided to return that and get this. I decided to go with the MetaQuest Pro. I know it's Meta, but it has amazing face and eye tracking, and I hear it's a lot easier to use than that other headset that I got. So let's just get right on into it and open this thing up. I also have a cable that does charge it, and the full light blocker, face attachment. That way it blocks all light, because apparently a lot of light comes through here by itself. So if you're going to get this headset, you're going to want the light blocker and then also the comfort head strap for it as well. I have yet to get a external microphone for it. I've been told to go get one, so we'll maybe do an unboxing of that later. But yeah, let's get right into it. So with this unboxing, there is a little pull strip right here on the box. Pull right here. Oh, listen to that. Oh, so satisfying. Now, remove the rest of it. Quest Pro. All right, we also have, that's removed. Okay, that's it. We're done. We finished it. So here is the headset right out of the box. Oh, so small, actually. Like, let's see. It's decently light. Honestly, I think it is heavier than that other headset I got, the Bifocus Vision. Terrible setup on that one. Anyways, yeah, let's set this here and remove this. So the reason I went with this one and I didn't wait for the new Steam frame is I've got quite a few friends that actually have this headset, and I'm trying to be careful with it. I really am. They've told me this is actually a really solid headset. Plus, it's got the face and eye tracking built into it, where the Steam frame only has eye tracking. And I've always wanted eye tracking and face tracking. I've had let's go over here. I've had this Pimax 8K for the last, 4 or 5 years. And it is a phenomenal headset. Do not talk any shade against this. Like, I've had so many hours in this headset, but there's no face or eye tracking. It did used to have eye tracking, but I'm pretty sure they discontinued that a while ago. And they do have a new headset, but it's like $2 to $3 grand. And I just wanted something to dip my toes into the water of face and eye tracking. So, yeah, I've heard this is a really good headset. The lenses on this are, what is it, Pancake? It's the better lenses. It's got a better field of view and vision, and it's not blurry. Anyways, I digress. Let's take a look. We've got these controllers. Actually, they feel pretty good in the hands, but it is a inside-out tracked headset. But apparently, it should be fairly easy to slap a tracker, which, let me grab one really quick. To slap a tracker onto the headset, which with that other headset that I did buy in return, I bought an extra 5 3.0 tracker, and it is base station tracked, which there's my base station. I have multiple base stations. Yeah, so I can use my index controllers instead of these, because I really love the index controllers. They are the best controllers ever made. The Knuckles controllers, they got multiple names. But yeah, so here's the headset. let's, I guess, see what else is in here. We got protective cover. Okay, that's all it says, protective cover. So I guess there is a cover that you put over the lenses of the front of the headset. Got it. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. I'm going to be using, like I said, base stations to track this. This, honestly, this box really comes with like nothing. That other headset, you know, it had the cables and blah, 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 and you had to plug it into the wall and then plug it into the computer and then plug it into the headset. It didn't work half the time, which is why I returned it. I've heard this it just works a lot better. Now, this headset was discontinued last year or so, maybe the year before. But you can still find them online. I got this on Amazon, actually. So I got pretty lucky finding it on there. Let's just continue with this unboxing. We're going to peel this off. Let's see if you can hear it. Come on. Come on. There we go. And then we have one on the underside. It's hard to do with two hands or one hand, but there we go. We got that off. The battery is in here somewhere. Let's go in here and see what we have in this box. All right. We've got some cables. I'm guessing this is the charging block. Basically, you put the headset on the charger. So right out of the box, the headset does not actually come with a cable for the PC. It is a standalone headset, and it uses Wi-Fi to connect to the PC, which is why you want to get another cable. And this one I got on Amazon as well. We'll see how it is. It's supposed to send data and charge the headset, I believe. If not, I might have got a different one. This may just be to keep the headset charged while using it, because I was told just use virtual desktop for this headset. You don't need to actually hardwire it to the PC. So we will be doing a lot of testing with this headset. That, I think, honestly, is that it? What is this? We got a little pull tab here. That pops open. Okay. Oh, okay, that is the charging base. Okay, that's okay. Interesting. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the headset itself. Like I said, we have this faceplate that blocks light that is magnetic, and it actually plugs in right there. You can see where it attaches. And this is not going to be a use video. It's just basically an unboxing video. But and then I have this. I'm gonna have to figure out how to attach that because I'm not actually sure. But that's what this is all about. Learning new technology, which I love technology. It's crazy that it's been so long since I got another headset. So yeah, money. That's pretty much it for the unboxing video. So I'm gonna leave it here, but yes, we will see how this headset is once I get it set up and figure out all the details. I do need to get my avatar updated with face and eye tracking. I know a few people I've already talked to, so it's kind of in the works right now. So hopefully soon I will have face and eye tracking on my avatar. But I do have a few public avatars that I can test it out with, just to see how this headset really is. I hope you guys enjoyed. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit the like button and join us in the Discord server. What are you guys doing? Come join us in the Discord server. Come hang out. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.